This is Ujjwal Kumar Sen, and in this video tutorial you are going to learn about how to solve question by using trapezoidal rule. Okay, so this is one of the most important topic of, I must say, that numerical methods. Okay, if you are preparing for GATE, then let me share with you the question which is just in front of you right now. The same question has been asked in GATE previous year, but they have asked to solve the question by using Simpson's rule. Okay, but yeah, I made this question that solve this question by using trapezoidal rule. Okay, so that is simple. I mean, you can do that. So before going to solve this question, you need to understand couple of things here. All right, so what is basically trapezoidal rule? You need to understand that actually if I will solve question using this method, I mean directly, then probably we are going to, I'm not probably, exactly we are going to get the value. And the trapezoidal rule, after implementing trapezoidal rule, what value we are going to get, both are difference. There is difference between both. Okay, so definitely why we use trapezoidal rule, that is also important. Okay, whenever any equation become difficult to solve by using conventional method, in that case we use numerical methods. Okay, so the application of numerical methods in complex situation is abundant, too much. Okay, so let's go for this trapezoidal method. What is the formula basically we implement, that is important. Okay, so the formula is h by 2, and then let's say m naught, and here what is h here? H basically intervals. The meaning of h is here, that is intervals. So don't get confused in that case, right? So what is h? What I have said, this is all about interval. So in this question, what interval we are taking, that is h is equal to 0.5. so the above question what we are taking, that is h is equal to 0.5. got it? Now h by 2 formula for finding out this integration of this by using trapezoidal method is h by 2 m naught. What is m naught? You will come to know. 2 m1 plus m2 plus m3 plus dot 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 plus m n minus 1 plus mn. So what are these m1, m2 and all that, you will come to know. I have already shared with you what is h. So this is h is interval. So what we are going to do, we are going to do simple calculation here. Most probably you have done in earlier, maybe in 12th class also you have done. Okay, I don't know about that, you have done or not. So let's say this is m. Okay, so 0.5, 1, 1.5. so you have to take equal intervals in between these two. Okay, suppose that if they have given 2, then you have to get 2 also here. All right, so but till in this question they have given till 1.5, that's why I have taken 1.5. okay, now if I'll put 0.5 here, that is, if I'll put in the place of x, I'll put 0.5, then how much value I am going to get? That is 2. If I'll put 1 in the place of x, then I will get 1. If I'll put 1.5, then I will get, let me use calculator, so it's 0.666. so 0.6666. take up to 4 decimal values always, okay, to get most accurate values. So here what we got basically, this is m naught, this is m1, this is m2. okay, so this is the thing to understand here and to remember in this formula. So now what is h here? I have already shared with you, h is 0.5 by 2. okay, what is m naught here? M naught is 2. Now 2 multiple, so should I write these two values only, or I will write one value? So remember that whenever we are giving 3 values, look at this, what they said, we have to keep the number or the values till second last. So second last is 1, already we have taken 2 for first term, and the only one term is remaining here, that is 1. So I have to write only 1. mn, that is last, 0.6666. alright, I hope you understand. Now what we have to do, calculation. 0.5 by 2 is 4, 0.6666. So 0.5 by 2, yeah, 4.6666. Now what we have to do, we have to multiple 4.666 multiple 0.5 division 2 is equal to 1.1666. Okay, so this is the answer for this integration by using trapezoidal rule. Now let me share with you, if I will solve this question conventionally, so what will happen, this is natural log x integration of this, because this is reciprocal. I hope you know about it. So what will become, what will be the answer for this question, that is natural log 1.5 minus natural log 0.5. so it's natural log 1.5 minus natural log 0.5, so it's 1.09. if I will see the error between these two methods, then it's 1.16 minus answer is equal to what, 0.061 is the error between the conventional method and the trapezoidal rule. Okay, so because of this, we have studied Simpson's rule. In my next lecture, I will definitely share with you what is Simpson's rule, and there are two Simpson's rule. One is 1/3 and another one is 3/8 rule. Remember that. So I will share with you both the rules with you. That's why you can understand about this question much better way. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Hope to see you again in my next video tutorial. Bye bye.